Hey everyone, I'm Evelyn, but you might also know me as Emilina from Tumblr. I make custom content for Sims 4. First things first, I really want to thank each and all of you for the insane support I have received on a previous video and on Tumblr throughout my 2 years of posting there. It really means a lot to me and motivates me to work harder and do better. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Secondly, I want to say sorry if my voice sounds a little bit raspy because I haven't been feeling very well lately, but I really needed to post this video now, otherwise I feel like it would be too late to post it and it wouldn't get that much attention as it will get right now. Thirdly, I want to answer some of your questions and then we can go to the main theme of this video. So the first question is, what was your motivation when you first started making CC? As much as I remember, it was exactly 2 years ago, my first ever symbol read. At that time, I was posting a story and the only content I have ever made were Max's mesh recolors of alpha hair and poses. So I did have some very basic knowledge of Blender, and I was seeing all the amazing people sharing their wonderful works with everybody, and the whole atmosphere in the community was very wholesome and sweet, and people seemed to be very nice, and I really wanted to become a true part of this community to actually contribute something myself. So I just opened Blender and did what I felt like was missing in my most folder. That's how I've created my first ever pair of jeans. The high-waisted jeans for kids. Although most of my CC at that time was the best quality, actually it was very buggy and had a lot of things to be remade and redone, like UV1 and weights. You guys were the one to support me. You guys were the one to motivate me to keep pushing forward. So I guess the biggest motivation for me from that time 2 years ago, my first ever symbol read, to my second symbol read right now, to the moment I am actually recording this video. You folks are my lovely, supportive followers. You guys are the motivation that keeps me pushing forward, and I feel like I can never say enough thanks for this. Thank you so much. So, I want to thank one very special person for helping me throughout the whole time I've been on Tumblr. 2 years ago, I have messaged my role model, the person I'm actually looking up to this day, Clumsy Alien. Jen, I know you're watching this. I just want to thank you publicly for all the support you've given me and for genuinely being the nicest person I have ever met. This video actually wouldn't be up if she didn't reassure me that my accent is okay and I shouldn't be worried to post this. Jen, thank you so much for firstly being my Blender teacher and now being my closest friend. Again, I can never say enough thanks for this. Second question is, what is your favorite piece of CC you have ever made? It's a very tricky question because it takes me 1 or 2 days after I've made some photos to start noticing some things that I feel like I could have done a lot better. I look at it and I just think like, oh, I could have made more swatches, or I could have made a better job doing UV or weight transfers, or the folds are strange, and the more time goes by, the more I see these small details that really unsatisfy me. But right now, I am very proud of my small Might 1C. By far, it was one of the most difficult meshes I have ever made. It took me more than 1 month to make, as everything went wrong. Zbrush was crashing, I didn't like the UVs, I remade the whole mesh more than 3 times, and I really struggled at doing the textures. But right now, you can see the result version of it. I really like it, and I was super glad that you guys liked it too. So now to the main theme of this video. I wanted to make a full tutorial without cutting anything, with a full explanation for every single step that I've made. and I finally had enough time to do so. This video you are watching right now is a cut version, a preview to a full 2-hour plus version of it. You can find the link down in the description below. I have included not only the video, but also my self-made tools that make your process a lot easier, like Photoshop Actions or Substance Painter export settings. So be sure to check the link. Like I have finished talking, I have answered the questions that you wanted me to answer. I have said everything that I wanted to say, so if you do have any questions for me to answer in the next video, leave them in the comments below, or maybe some video ideas or your opinion. I would really love to read all of this. Thank you so much for watching again. You can find all of the links in the description below. Enjoy the rest of the video.
you